Hello, this is the demo of this amazing system. Why it's so amazing? Because it will instantly digitalize the restaurant. So on the right side, this is customer view, and on the left side, this is restaurant view. So your customers can just scan the QR code from your tables, and they can place dine-in orders, or they can access your menu link from your social media platforms. This one, and they can place takeaway and delivery orders. So, for example, if customer scans this QR code from your tables, they will see a menu like this. So you can see the menu looks so amazing. It has large pictures, good looking pictures. So if a good menu is shown to the customer, there is a chance that they will order more. Also, this menu has lots of amazing features. For example, your customers can navigate between veg and non-veg menu clicking on this button, so they can navigate between your menu easily, and also they can shuffle between the categories. For example, if they want to go to drinks, they just click that button, and it shows the drinks or the sushi. So it is really convenient, and you don't need any application because it works using any browser. Other than that, your customers can also call the waiter. So if they press on this button, you will be notified that there is a call waiter request from a table. So now we can see that there is a call waiter request from table number 4. So this is how they can call the waiter. After that, they can also submit their feedback by clicking on this button. So here they can give their feedback and submit their feedback. So once they give the feedback, it will be shown here. So you will be also collecting the customer data, their name, mobile numbers, and email addresses, which you can utilize, of course, for your marketing promotions. Other than that, the menu has more options like by clicking on this button, your customers can call to your restaurant, they can send you email, and by clicking on this button, they can go to your directions. Other than that, they can see your Wi-Fi password from here. So it's like a complete package for the restaurant to digitalize the restaurant, and also you can mention your social media links here by using this option from here. Go to networks and links, and mention your social media links, and this will be shown here, so you can grab your customers to your social media pages as well. So the good thing about this system is not only your customers can see a very good looking menu, they can also place the orders. So your customers can add items into the cart which they want to order. Go to view cart. So here they can see their total bill and confirm the order. Here you can see a new order has been received. If we go to table orders, we can see there is a new order from table number 4 because table number 4 QR code was scanned. So we can just click here and view this order. We can see it's in pending, and the customer has ordered one lamb chops and steak. So restaurant will simply process this order. So customer will be notified the order is being processed. If we go back to the tables again, we can see the table number 4 color is yellow, which means it is under process. So once customer has paid the bill, restaurant can simply close this order by clicking on this button. So now if we go back here, we can see the table is free. So this is a very easy to use interface. Your customers can easily place the order, and restaurant can see the one dashboard from where the restaurant can analyze which all orders are pending processing or which all tables are free. So other than that, the system has lots of other options. For example, you can change the prices of your menu items. If you go to menu items, and here you can see, for example, you want to change the price of chicken fajitas. So just edit this item, and you can change the prices from here, and it will be shown here. You can also give some discounts using this option under the offer price. You can mark it as veg, non-veg. You can list them as best sellers by clicking on this button, so it will be listed under best sellers. The another good thing about the system is you can use the add-ons. So once the customer is selecting a particular menu item, the suggestions will be shown to the customer, which may increase the chances of your sales. So other than that, you can also define sizes. For example, this apple juice is in small, medium, and large size, so you can define it here. And if you go to the units here, you can create all these sizes here. So if you go back to the menu items, you can see that, for example, for this apple juice, You can just edit this item, and you can see we have defined different sizes of this menu item, so which are showing here. After that, there are other options in the dashboard. You can manage your different branches from here. You can define taxes. So what are taxes? For example, you can add here your VAT, service fee, GST, whatever. So here you can see the service fee is 10%. So if a customer is ordering something, in the view cart option, you can see the VAT is applied, which is 15% in the total bill. So other than that, you can manage your categories. If you go from here to the category options, you can see different categories here. On the menu side, these categories are shown nicely, as you can see that this is the breakfast category. So you can just add new categories from here by clicking on this button, type the category name and the image which is shown here. On the menu item side, you can add new menu items by clicking on this button, so they will be shown here. You can activate deactivate existing menu items. So if you click on this button, the menu item will be deactivated and it will be hidden. So there are lots of other features than that, but I'm just mentioning the major ones. So you can also create discount and coupons for your restaurant. You can offer discounts on particular days. You can also throw some promotions. If you add some promotions here and activate them, so what will happen? Customer will access your menu. There will be a pop-up here showing the promotion. So why it's not showing here? Because the dates may have been passed. So we will edit this promotion, go back here, and today is 20th June. So we'll select a date before and 2 days after, and then submit it. So now let's just refresh the menu, and you can see the promotion popped up. So if you have some promotion in your restaurant, they will be shown to your customers. After that, you can check your sales reports from here. You can check your sales reports about dine-in, takeaway, and delivery orders. So this menu can be also used for the takeaway and delivery ordering. If you go to QR code list, this first takeaway QR code, this is for takeaway and delivery orders. So if we just copy and paste it in the window, your customer can access this from your social media platforms. So if the customer adds item into the cart and go to view cart, here they can place the takeaway order. So once they place the takeaway order, they will have to enter their details, name, mobile number, and email address. You will be receiving a takeaway order here. So there is no commission on these orders. These orders will be free and with zero commissions. Also, your customers can place the delivery order. So same link will be used. If we go back and place this order as a delivery order, confirm the order. So what will happen? Customer will add the details, their mobile number and the email address. So your restaurant can get the complete information. So once the order will be placed, customer can add their addresses. For example, this is in, let's say, Miami. This is integrated with Google Maps. They can exactly pinpoint their location and they can mark the exact location, enter the address, house number, nearby location like petrol pump or something, and save the address. So we can see we have registered this address. Now customer can click on continue. The order will be placed and you will receive a prompt notification that there is a new order. So restaurant can click on this button and they can see there is a new order, and customer can real time track the order status whenever restaurant will change it. So there is also a driver application for your drivers to deliver the orders. They can download it by clicking on this button in their smartphones. They will be able to see the customer location. Also, customer will be able to track the driver location real time by seeing this map. So this is an amazing feature. There are lots of features other than this which are here. There is an integrated PS system also. So the good thing about this PS system is in this PS system, your waiters can also punch the orders and customer can also place the orders, all types of orders like dine-in, takeaway, and delivery orders. So whenever customer will scan the QR code or access the menu link, the order will be placed, and waiters can also punch their orders in the same PS system. So that's all. This is an amazing system, and it works. So it works without any hardware requirement. You can use your simple computer or existing hardware and upgrade to this system. So it's it will instantly digitalize your restaurant, and you will be having an awesome looking menu which you can use on your social media platforms or share with your customers on WhatsApp and everywhere. Another good thing about the system that you can also check your scan report. So you can check how many customers have scanned the QR code of your menu. So here we can see these all customers scan the QR code menu with all the details, and here you can see your monthly sales and monthly scan report as well. Also there are analytics and sales report reports. As I have already shown you the sales reports, there are also analytics reports. There are like bestsellers report, item wise report, category wise reports. So everything is here. So it's an amazing system. It has an awesome looking menu. You can update your menu instantly. You will be having your own dashboard. You can change prices, offer discounts, manage your menu even using your smartphone. So it can add a lot of value into your business. Thank you for watching the video. Bye for now.